So I got halal, guys. So school was good. My second week of school. It's been a while. I just seen you already, so bro. I'm trying, but like English class is fun. We're like disposable people. Which like child slavery in Thailand. It's like really interesting. Yeah, statistics is good. Food, basic food is so easy. And we make cookies. And it's like nice eating the food. But eating the food is my favorite part though too. And halal guys, this is halal is so good. Bro, the chicken is like so good. Like, look at halal. Like Somali so like halal food. Like cut it halal. Look at this one. I'm just ready to graduate. I don't even know. I'm ready to go to college. Like, I'm getting older. Like I'm growing up so much, yo. I'm not the same person. Also, my hair. Same time, but I love my hair. It's so straight now. Like, but yeah, I've cut it a lot growing up. So I'm growing now. But yeah. How about beef, chicken, tzatziki sauce, cucumbers, and this rice. I work right after this, so I forget. Finish this. Yeah. I'm just chilling. Yeah. Clubs are starting up soon. Like BSU, like Asian Culture Club, and different clubs. So, I'm thinking about going to like dermatology. I would love to help people with their skin. So yeah, I'm gonna do a biology major. Hopefully Rutgers. I don't want to go. It's like my grades, bro. I tried though, but hopefully Rutgers. I'm gonna apply to like a few reaches or whatever. But like hopefully Rutgers accept me. Like everyone goes to Rutgers. I'm gonna pre my track. Yeah. This past like using my lean, all the tests and stuff. I love taking care of my skin. Like I bought so many different oils and like creams and like I like my own remedies like castle, turmeric, yogurt, coffee, everything. I searched up how to make for myself. Lemon, egg whites. I even bought something called like, evening primrose oil. I put on my skin rose oil. I love things like that. So helping people with that. And if I have blemish or acne, I'm really good at that. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to go into that. If I said older. Okay, I'm gonna move to like a bigger house. My child's home, so I want to kind of move to like a bigger house or whatever. And I just succeed. So bye, y'all.